Yeah, maybe I'm in Lord of the Rings or something, or playing Breath of the Wild or something. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, this is kind of epic, kind of sketchy though. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Vikes Hikes. I am now on a trail to get to Flat Creek. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, I make YouTube videos about hiking, and as you can see, I have my big backpack on, so this should be a good overnighter. So 2 videos of this trail, the way out there, the way back. I'm not completely sure how far I'll get, but I guess we'll have to come along with me and find out. I think like technically I'm not on the Fly Creek Trail, but I have to get to the trailhead. I'm not completely like, this is basically the trail. But yeah, bit of a sign there, so knowing that I'm going the right way is good. We all know that I have gone the wrong way a few times, so we'll see y'all. Good shot of the creek, aerial shot. Probably won't. I'm thinking this trail, I'm gonna be beside the creek, supposedly, so probably won't get a good aerial shot like this again or for a while. Okay, first good shot of the creek, getting closer, and it looks like it continues to go up and up and up. So yeah, Fly Creek Canyon Trail, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my, yeah, this is why you come on hikes like this. Super cool, super cool. Don't even know if you can hear me, but yeah, awesome. What the? Where's the trail? Okay. Yay! Okay, first break I'm taking. Backpack off. Came down that. Go up that. Oh, okay, yeah, time to eat. Time to eat. This is about as close to the creek the trail's gotten, but it looks like it's gonna go up again in the woods again, a bit more less just kind of falling right into the water if you fell to the right. So at least there's that, but gotta go up again. So yeah, this is the part of the trail I'm on, I guess. See y'all. What a view. And also, as you can see, this trail is slow going, yo. Okay, I haven't gone super far, but the trail is looking better back there. And it looks okay so far for a while. So hopefully it's cleared up. It could get worse again, I don't know. But we'll see. I'm not gonna film for a bit until I'm somewhere good. I don't know. We'll see y'all. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm barely making any ground though. It looks pretty good. I like it. Yes, I'm on this trail, and that's the trail. Yeah, maybe I'm in Lord of the Rings or something, or playing Breath of the Wild or something. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, this is kind of epic, kind of sketchy though. Awesome, let's keep going. I've only made it about halfway. Pretty sure I am right here at the bottom of the F. And right here, the campsite's supposed to be somewhere around here, where the slide area is. So, yeah, I might have to set up camp there. I'm gonna see what's around this corner though. We'll see. It's 4:30 or almost 4:30. I don't want to make this 5 hours heading back. But, yeah, we'll see. Okay. I mean, doesn't look like, I don't know. It looks awesome, but I'm not going any further because it's still just thick woods and like stuff like that all the way. That might be the flattest area back there where I just came from, and the best area to like get close to the water, get some more water, drink some water. So I'm gonna go back, set up camp, eat lunch, outro lunch, I don't know. So yeah, you know, still not a bad place to camp though, so it's all good. It's all good. Okay everyone, I'm gonna set up camp in there. Yeah, this is as far as I go. It's a bit after 5 now. So yeah. Thanks for watching Vikes Hikes. Yeah, it's been a good one. Subscribe if you want to see part 2 and get the bell on if you want to see it right away. Look at that. That back there is where I was headed. I couldn't even get halfway to the actual campsite, and it also says where the campsite is. There's like rock slide, which maybe this is also rock slide. All this stuff, I don't know. But yeah, it's been a fun time. Thanks for watching Vikes Hikes. Have a good one.